Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you the Curri Driver app and how it helps drivers earn by delivering construction materials. Curri connects independent drivers with local pickup and drop-off jobs for building supplies, making it like Uber for construction. Curri focuses on fast, reliable deliveries for contractors, suppliers, and stores. Drivers sign up, pass background and driving checks, then activate the app to receive nearby job offers. When you accept a job, you pick up materials at a supplier, transport them to the job site, and confirm delivery with a photo or signature. Payments are processed quickly, and many drivers access fast payouts. The main benefits are flexibility and demand. Construction deliveries often pay more than food or grocery gigs, and there is less driver competition. Curri also sends heavier load opportunities, which can increase earnings for trucks and vans. Drivers set their schedule, choose jobs that fit their vehicle, and earn per job with tip potential. There are trade-offs. App reliability varies, and some drivers report bugs or missed notifications. Always verify job details before accepting, including pickup location, load size, and any required equipment. Fuel costs, vehicle wear, and liability are your responsibility. Pricing may not always cover long distances or heavy loads, so calculate the net pay before committing. Tips to maximize earnings: only accept jobs that make economic sense considering distance, load, and time. Keep clear records of pickups, drop-offs, and communications. Use photos and notes for proof. If a customer disputes a delivery, keep your vehicle well maintained and carry straps, blankets, and a phone mount to speed up jobs. Learn common supplier locations and best routes in your area, and update the app regularly for bug fixes and improvements. Final verdict: Curri Driver can be a profitable side or full-time gig for drivers in busy construction markets. It rewards drivers who plan routes, manage costs, and handle larger loads, but it is not guaranteed income and requires attention to logistics, vehicle costs, and app reliability. If you want a simple, flexible way to deliver building materials, Curri is worth trying in high-demand areas. Thanks for watching. If you need a shorter version, a driver-focused version, or a voiceover-friendly script, tell me which one, and I'll write it for you.